5 reasons why women will want sex with you often. Most men miss this. Most men think women don't want sex as much as men. That's the lie. The truth? A woman will want sex with you often if you trigger the right things in her mind and body. And here's where most guys fail. They focus on looks, money, or status, but completely miss what actually makes her crave you. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 real reasons why a woman keeps coming back for you and why she doesn't for most men. First, she feels emotionally safe with you. Not soft, not weak, safe. There's a difference. She knows you're solid. You're not judging her. You're not unstable or unpredictable. With you, she can drop the act, and when that guard drops, that's when her real desire shows up. Most men try to force attraction, but the truth is, when she trusts you, when she feels secure in your presence, she opens up in ways she won't with a man she's unsure about. For many women, sex is strongly connected to emotions. If she feels respected, valued, and secure with you, her desire increases naturally. When she trusts you and feels free from judgment, she becomes more open and comfortable. Emotional safety often strengthens physical intimacy. Second, you actually satisfy her. Let's be real, a lot of men are selfish in bed. They rush, they don't pay attention, they don't learn, and women remember that. If she's not satisfied, she won't say it directly, she'll just lose interest over time. But when you take your time, understand her body, and focus on her experience too, now you separate yourself from 90% of men. And once she knows being with you feels good, she's not going to forget that. She'll want it again. If she enjoys the experience, she is more likely to want it again. This includes good foreplay, patience, understanding her body, and caring about her pleasure too. When a woman feels heard and satisfied in bed, her desire grows instead of reducing. If she feels like you're attentive, patient, and actually tuned in to her, that's rare. And rare gets remembered. Most guys rush, focus only on themselves, and then wonder why her interest fades. It's not complicated. When the experience is good for her, she comes back for more. Third, you treat her right outside of intimate moments. This is where a lot of men mess up. They think attraction lives in one space. It doesn't. It's built in the small things. How you talk to her, how you carry yourself, how you support her, how you appreciate her, how you make her feel on a random day. If she feels valued, appreciated, and desired beyond just physical moments, her attraction builds naturally. But if the only time you show up is when you want something, she feels that too, and it kills desire faster than anything. When she feels loved, desired, and emotionally connected in daily life, she automatically craves intimacy with you more often. Fourth, there's real physical attraction. This one is simple, but a lot of men avoid it. If she's not physically attracted to you, nothing else matters long term. And attraction isn't just genetics, it's how you carry yourself, your confidence, your grooming, your presence, your hygiene, and how you express affection can influence attraction. A man who looks put together, moves with purpose, and doesn't seek approval, that man triggers something primal. And when that attraction is there, she doesn't just allow intimacy, she wants it. When a woman feels physically attracted to her partner, it naturally increases her desire for intimacy. Fifth, she's comfortable communicating with you. This one is underrated. If she feels like she can express herself without being shut down, judged, or misunderstood, everything becomes smoother. There's no tension, no guessing games. She can be open, and that openness builds deeper connection and stronger desire over time. Most men don't create that space, and that's why things stay surface level. When a woman can openly communicate her needs, feelings, and desires without fear, intimacy becomes more enjoyable. Good communication helps both partners understand each other better, which can make the relationship more satisfying. Good and free communication changes everything because now she's not just participating, she's engaged. And when a woman is fully comfortable with you, her desire becomes natural and consistent. Here's the simple truth most men avoid. A woman doesn't crave you just because you exist. She craves how you make her feel, how you satisfy her, and how safe she is being herself around you. Get those right, and you won't have to chase anything. She'll come to you. And the moment you understand that, you stop chasing validation and start becoming the man she doesn't want to lose. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.